Welcome back to Tech Tutors. Struggling with task allocation in your team? Learn how Pega's workqueues and workgroups can transform your workflow. A workqueue is a shared repository of tasks that are not assigned to a specific user. Instead, these tasks are accessible to any eligible user within a team, allowing for a flexible and collaborative work environment. For example, imagine a customer support team managing incoming tickets. These tickets are not tied to a particular agent. Instead, any available team member can pick a ticket and process it. Similarly, in an insurance company, claims processing can be handled by multiple processors who can access tasks from the shared queue. A workgroup is a cross-functional team structure in Pega that includes a manager and a work queue. It enables users across business units to collaborate effectively while sharing and managing tasks. Each workgroup includes one designated work queue, ensuring seamless task distribution among team members. For example, in a customer service department, different workgroups can focus on tasks like billing inquiries, technical support, or order processing. Similarly, in a retail business, workgroups can be organized based on store locations or product categories, ensuring tasks are handled efficiently by the right team. Every workgroup is led by a manager who is responsible for assigning tasks, monitoring progress, and generating reports. These managers use the user portal to oversee operations and ensure tasks are being completed efficiently. If the primary manager is not available, authorized managers can step in to transfer assignments. However, they cannot approve tasks or directly complete assignments, maintaining proper task management protocols. Work queues and workgroups are closely connected in Pega. Let's see how they work together to make task management easier. A work queue is an integral part of a workgroup. It's a shared space where tasks for all members of the workgroup are stored and accessed. Unlike a work list, which contains tasks assigned to a single operator, work queues provide a shared pool of tasks, enabling teams to collaborate and divide workloads more effectively. When setting up your first workgroup in Pega, you can use the default at Pega.com workqueue to quickly configure and test the system. Work queues and workgroups work together to make task routing and team collaboration easier. They help ensure tasks are assigned to the right people with the right skills, improving efficiency and simplifying workflows. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned and subscribe for more Pega insights.